Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove credit card account from QuickBooks Online. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course ensure that you actually have the right plan or the full version of or the correct version of QuickBooks Online so that you would be able to actually do all these steps. So once you ensure that, you'll just have to sign into your account, and then once you've signed into your account, you will just have to click this banking right here. And after you click banking, basically you will be redirected to chart of accounts. And then what you will do is you will click find credit card account, and then you will just have to click edit, and then click make inactive. And then you will just have it will remove it without deleting the history, and then you will just have to confirm, and QuickBooks will hide the account from your dashboard. And by the way, you should avoid deleting the account to preserve historical transactions for audits. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.